In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Google Docs to Google Drive. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Google Drive homepage. If you're greeted by a welcome screen, simply click through to enter your drive. This brings you to your main drive view, where all your files and folders live. Next, look to the upper right of the page for the Google Apps grid icon. It may appear as a small cluster of dots. Click that to open the panel of Google Apps. Scroll through the list until you see Docs, then click Docs. This opens the Google Docs start page, which is connected to your account and your drive. On the Docs page, locate the recently used templates area. Clicking into that will reveal quick start options. For this walkthrough, select blank document to create a new file from scratch. A fresh document opens in a new tab. Now, add your content. Type directly into the page or paste text you've copied from elsewhere. As you work, Google Docs saves automatically, so there's no need to hit a save button. That automatic saving is what places your document into Google Drive for you. Before you move on, rename the file so it's easy to find later. At the top left of the document, click the title field, replace the default name with something descriptive, and press enter. A clear title will make it stand out in your drive and in search. If you see any prompts or the interface shifts focus, simply click back inside the document to make sure it's active. Give it a second to finish saving. You'll typically notice a brief saving indicator near the title and then a confirmation when it's done. When you're finished, go back to your Google Drive tab. To make sure your new document appears, refresh the page. You can click the circular refresh icon near the top left of Drive or press F5 on your keyboard. After the refresh, your newly created Google Doc should show up in My Drive, usually near the top under the most recent files. That's all there is to it. By starting in Drive, opening Google Docs from the Apps grid, creating a blank document, adding your text, renaming it, and then refreshing Drive, you've effectively uploaded a Google Doc to your Google Drive. From here, you can open it anytime, organize it into a folder, or share it when you're ready.